We got Chris Calico, the singer-rapper from Kansas City, from Strange Music, here with us today in Houston. They're going to be down at the Warehouse Live tonight in downtown Houston, and there's a ton of stuff going on in Houston this weekend, including the Final Four, NCAA. So it's going to be busy. They've been sold out everywhere they've been. They was in Austin last night, and now they're in Houston. And he calls us up, and he needed an adjustment while he was here in town, so Renee and I came down to see him today.
Yes, on the day off. They're closed today, and he's okay.
All right, let's take a look and see how you're looking today.
Yeah, man.
You can go ahead and leave that stuff on for a second.
Okay.
I'll just have you take it off when we get on here.
Cool.
Here, let's come on in front of the mirrors over here now. Okay, let's have you take a deep breath and flex your head forward and then backwards, please.
When I get to here,
That starts pulling in here?
Feels tender, yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can stop at neutral. Now, Chris, it hadn't been down here for how many months? It's been about almost a year, huh?
Almost a year, yeah.
We're excited to see him, even if it is Saturday.
I know, man.
All right, good. Okay, we got that. Now you might want to take that stuff off because I'm going to decompress you first.
Yeah, man.
All right. Chris got a great new video out. Music video. Let's go on your back with your pelvis right there for me, please.
This way?
Yes, sir.
I can still fit it with these things.
Yeah, you can. Slide up just a little bit. In fact, it looks like you lost some weight. Slide up just a little bit.
Oh, this way.
There you go. Where your hips right underneath that pin.
Okay, yeah, right there.
It's going to feel tight.
Oh, yeah.
Push away from that so you make sure you're in there tight.
It doesn't feel push like
push
that
away.
way?
Yeah. Push up.
Yeah.
You in there tight?
Locked, yeah.
You locked in there? Okay. So we'll make sure we let him out before the show.
I might have lost some. It doesn't.
Yeah, he has lost some.
I gained weight.
Chris has had some problems with some acid reflux over time. So we're going to be treating that today too. Take a deep breath in. Let it all out. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Feel that all the way down?
Hell yeah. It hurts. It hurts, but I know what it's doing.
There we go.
All of that.
And he is still kicking. Okay. Lay your head right in my hands as if you're sleeping. Perfect. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah. You gotta really lay that head back, man, because I had a tendency, to want to tense up.
Yeah, I just catch you between bugs.
Yeah, man. Man.
All right, so let's come over here on our brand new adjusting table, and we'll have you. You're gonna like this. I'm gonna put your head forward just a tiny bit right there, Chris. Oh, yeah. It's got all these crazy drop pieces on it that allows me to do a lot more effective biophysics drop work. Okay.
Now, how do you know when you yank with that towel that that's okay?
Well, I feel it. I have to feel it. There we go. So, just keep breathing for me. Oh yeah. See, much more definitive drop pieces.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and slide all the way up in there just a little bit more.
My chest is kind of over. Is that okay?
Okay, yeah, that's okay. Just gotta soften it. There it is. And then right here. Yep, there's T6 right there. Okay, I slid a little bit there.
You popped it.
Yeah. Now just let your head relax right in my hand here. Okay. Same over here. Okay. Remember the Terminator, don't you?
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, you can't help it. I'm just dreaming about that machine last night.
Is it a nightmare or a good one?
No, I was like, okay, let me mentally prepare for that. And I know this is gonna be, when I get on the other side of that,
yep.
I'll be feeling great.
Well, I got a really cool new adjustment I'll be able to do for your cervical and thoracic spine today with this table too.
Good.
And you're stimulating these ribs. Okay. Turn those off and turn the cervical on us. You're gonna feel the head. Go ahead and leave your head in there. Okay, that should be up right now. Nope, it's not. Tell me when you feel that headpiece pop up.
I can drop down. It popped up.
Is it up right now?
Now it kind of pops up and goes down.
And it went back down here. Let me tighten it up a little bit. You must have a lot on your mind. Your head's heavy.
Man.
And it's popping down in it. Okay. Is it still falling down?
It went down.
Okay, I know. There we go. Hang on, I get it. Yeah. Okay, let me. I just need to do one more here. Let's just tighten it up a little.
Good.
I'm still getting used to this table myself.
We just got it in on Thursday.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Now go ahead and leave your head in there. This air compressor has to get going. Get enough pressure
For a
in
second,
there.
it felt like
Hold
once
that.
you did that, and it's probably because I got all of this inflammation in there now.
Mhm.
For a second, it felt like worse to breathe when you first did the machine.
Right,
It felt a little tighter.
right, but it'll calm down.
Yeah, I figured. Because when that acid comes up in there, it's probably inflaming my esophagus, right?
Well, when you get the acid up into your esophagus gets inflamed for sure.
That's what I thought. So my biggest problem is that when I'm singing, it feels like it gets tight and it feels like I can't push the air out.
You can't breathe all the way.
Yeah, like I can't push it out.
All right, table. Your slide down maybe just a little bit. Maybe your shoulder's pushing it.
Yeah, that's what I kind of thought it might be. It's just my head on
Yeah.
right there.
Like I said, you got a lot on your mind.
Yeah, man, I got a huge head. I wear a size 8.5.
It's kind of like Renee.
I got a big head.
Yeah.
Renee don't have a
No.
big head.
I'm just giving her a hard time. There, that's there. Well, that fell down again.
Yeah, it keeps
Come on,
falling.
table. There, it was up. Okay.
What?
Yes, there. Okay. There. Okay.
Well,
I haven't had this on very long, so the air compressor hadn't had time to build up the pressure.
go on to something else, then go back.
No, because I gotta have this working. There, it's up.
There we go.
There we go. This adjusts the cervical spine in the P to A axis, which it drops down and up, so it allows me to get right in the joint planes. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. Now I'm going to have you scoot up that way just a little bit, right there for your turns.
Okay.
Okay, good. Take a deep breath in, put your arms out to your side. There you go. There it is, right there. That's it. I'm I'm adjusting his zygomatic process and his cervical curve back in there now. And now slide down just a little bit.
It's hard not to tighten up.
Yeah. Alright. So I'm going to have you put your arms out again. Yeah, I'm just going to get this table reset for you. Okay. There. There we go. That's it. Oh yeah. You'll be able to breathe after this. There we go, good. Now put this head piece up and you relax your hands on your tummy. Okay. I'm going to pull this out a little bit. Give you some room for your legs. Slide up this way just a little bit for me, Chris. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a hold of your tummy and pull it down. Take a real deep breath in.
Let's see where you are, okay.
Right down below the xiphoid process.
Let's see where your hands are. I'm just
right at the end there. Kind of right there in the first part of the soft spot.
Yeah, that's where it's a little
deep breath in. Let all your air out. See, I'm grabbing a hold of the top of the stomach right there. And then I'm pulling it straight down. You notice I'm not sliding down your shirt at all.
You're not. That's what everybody
does. I go in
does.
deep and grab it and pull the organ down.
Ah, that's what everybody does.
That's right.
They slide down.
That's why it's hurting.
Ah.
Deep breath in again. Remember when they get a close-up of this? There, see? Right there it is. All right, one more time now. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Got the bubbles that time.
I'm going to check your ileocecal valve here too. Probably a little tender right there too.
A little bit. Over this way.
Yeah, right here.
All right, yeah.
The ileocecal valve's right here between the small intestine and large intestine. If you're eating any kind of nuts or popcorn or anything with husk on it, sometimes it'll get clogged up in here. Back up a little bit.
Yeah.
Then over here is the valve between the large intestine and the rectum. This will make you go to the bathroom pretty quick today.
It's really still.
Yep. All right. Good man. You should be able to breathe easier already.
Maybe. I can't even tell on my back. I understand that.
Feel that in your knee and your low back? That's not it. There we go. Okay, now while you're there, go ahead and just lay there. I'm going to get you your ribs one more time. There we go, yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now let's sit you up and face towards your knee.
I actually think that a lot of this is because of my tension.
A little bit.
I think that the tension is what does it to me.
Well, being on tour like you guys are and traveling all over the country, I mean, it's got to be stressful to anyone.
Even at home, I think it's just my tension that tightens all this up all the time.
Well, plus you're using your lungs a lot when you're singing, your diaphragm a lot.
I know it.
So that diaphragm muscle has to be strong and stable rather than weak because it's misaligned with the vertebra and the ribs. When your vertebrae get out of place and the rib cage misaligns with that, the diaphragm can't be as strong as it should be.
Yeah. I felt like that.
Yeah, and popping this table all over.
I feel like it wasn't as strong as it should be.
Alright, let's stand you up here and take a look at you. See already your shoulders are squared off more.
I can tell this.
Can you breathe a little easier now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's have you flex forward and backwards. I'm not. I'm losing my breath.
Hey, he's working. He's a strong guy.
Okay, now neutral. So we're going to do that even more now. Straight here. This is one of the biggest things I think you can practice on your own at home is this mirror image exercise. And this is exactly it, where you pull your shoulders up and back, especially right in here too.
Right where you're hitting that right there, that's where I
Yeah,
get the
these are
most
the drum
tenderness.
boys, yep.
I get the most tenderness right there.
Sure. Okay, now relax again and flex forward and backwards. This should feel even smoother though this time, Chris.
It does.
And back to neutral. See, now you're square. And up and back, and you got equal spacing down here now too.
Yeah.
Very good.
More room to breathe.
So y'all come out and see Chris tonight in Houston with Tech 9, Strange Music.
Yeah, man.
At the Warehouse, right?
The Warehouse Live.
Warehouse Live, downtown Houston.
Yep.
This is your Houston chiropractor and Chris Carico coming to you from
Calico.
Advanced Chiropractic, really Calico, excuse me.
Calico, they call me Calico.
Calico.
I was called Calisco the other day. Hey man, I answer to whatever.
There you go. Robinson Crusoe.
Right. Right.
Well, it's good
so
to see you again.
Thanks so
God
much,
bless
man.
you
He's a
tonight. You
lifesaver,
guys have a
man.
great show.
Thank you so much, man.
And we'll see you next time.
See you.